Hey guys, I'm back. I don't know if you can really see right now, but try to zoom in a little bit. See it? Freaking lightning going off like crazy right now. There's no thunder right now, so I don't know if this is heat lightning or what. But Enfield, Connecticut has a severe thunderstorm warning, and it just came up on my phone, so I'll be posting more of these. Oh, here we go. That was thunder. I'll be posting more of these videos of this. Whoa, as this storm approaches. Damn, it's not coming up on my phone, but there's fucking a lot of lightning right now. Shit. But I will definitely post more of these videos, and as the storm comes. So we'll see what happens, and as it gets worse, I'll definitely post a video. Because right now I'm hearing thunder in the distance. I don't know if you guys can hear it or when I'm talking, but I'll stay quiet for a moment and tell me if you guys hear thunder in the comments or something like that, because I honestly do hear thunder. Alright. I don't know if you guys could hear it, but I'll keep posting videos as the storm approaches, so remember to like and subscribe, and I will definitely get back to you guys soon. Alright, see you later.